Today I am gonna show you how to watch animated GIF movie on MeBox or Android TV. First, open up Google Play Store and search Photo Viewer for Android TV app and install it. Open Photo Viewer for Android TV app, allow storage permissions. Insert USB drive with GIF files to Android TV or MeBox's USB port. Browse into the drive, select any GIF animation file and press circle button to open it. Press right or left button and your remote to open next or previous animated GIF image. Press circle button to start or stop the slideshow. Long press on any image to open up option menu, change options if you need to.